Hi friends, good evening. In the last videos, we have seen very clearly about Java 1.5 version. What are all the new concepts that they have introduced in 1.5 version? We have seen very clear. Sir, in 1.6 version, there are few enhancements are there with respect to compilers, interpreters, Java virtual machine, and with respect to swings. And there is one more class added in that 1.6 console class. Except console class, remaining things are not required for the programmer. Just it is a background process. That's why. So I'm not going to take 1.6 version features. Directly, we will go with Java 1.7. Sir, what these Java 1.7 features we have? So if you take, sir, important Java 1.7 features. Sir, what features we have? Listen carefully. First feature, binary literals. Binary literals. Second feature, underscore symbol or underscore literals. Next, sir, string in switch case. Next, try with the resources. Try with resources. Next, multi-catch block. Multi-catch block. Next, diamond operator. That's all. These are the, of course, still we have few more enhancements not required for programmer. These are the main 6 important features what we have in Java 1.7. Okay. Sir, if you are clear with the introduction, one by one concept with example programs, we will discuss. Clear, friends?
Clear.
Right. So coming to binary literals. Of course, you know, in integer literals, we have these integer literals are classified into decimal literals we can take, and octal literals we can declare. Next, hexadecimal literals we can declare. Sir, anyone remember how to declare octal literals? Just I forgot. Anyone tell me? For decimal, there is no representation. Directly we can take. For octal, what is the representation?
0.
It must be prefixed with which symbol? 0. What about hexadecimal?
0x.
Prefixed with 0 small x or 0 capital X. Anything you can take. Correct? Am I right? So if you want, just let me take one simple Java program. Okay, let me take one simple Java program. Have a look once. Integer a is equal to 10. Integer b is equal to 0, 1, 0. Can I say it is octal? Yes. Integer c is equal to 0x10. It is hexadecimal. Now try to print the value of a, b, and c. What is the value of a? You will get 10. What is the value of b? Do you remember? 0 into 8 power 0 plus 1 into 8 power 1. This is the internal calculation. 0 plus 8 will become 8. What about this one? 0 into 16 power 0 plus 1 into 16 power 1. So 0 plus 16, what is the result you are going to get? 16. So these are the constants what we have up to which version? Java 1.6. The program is going to compile fine and even it will execute. Sir, up to this, do you have any doubt in the program? Sir. So I want to represent another literal which is nothing but binary. Binary literal I want to represent. Sir, binary literals are also prefixed with 0 small b or 0 capital B. No problem, you can take. Sir, integer b is equal to 0b1010. Can I say it is a binary literal? Yes. If you print the value of d, what is the result you will get? 0 into 2 power 0 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 3. Sir, 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus what is the 2 cube value? 8. Sir, what is the total result? 10. 10. Like that we need to get. Sir, now try to compare. Have you observed? We are getting error. Why? Because, sir, which version of Java we are using? Java 6. So in Java 6, if you are trying to compile that program, we are getting error. So now let us switch to Java 7. Now I am trying to compile. Is it accepting? Yes. Now if you run the code also, you will get 10. So it is the proof that these binary literals are introduced in which version? 1.7. So let me write output as well as a status. Both I'm going to take all this. Sir, clear? Are you getting the clarity of these binary literals? Please confirm. Yes. Any questions? Just a second. Just a second. Sorry for the delay, guys. Sir, am I audible? Please confirm.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I hope you got clear clarity on binary literals. No doubt, right? Can I go for next? So coming to the next one, what is the second feature we have is underscore in literals. In literals. Sir, generally, if you take any program, let me take one simple integer variable I want to take. Integer a is equal to. Sir, tell me what is the value of a?
10, 10,
Now what is the value of a?
100,
100,
Now,
1000,
now, now what is the
10,000.
value? Have you remembered in mathematics or in general, when we are representing the numbers, we will use comma, correct? Just to separate their positions. Am I right, friends?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So why we are doing this? Just to improve the readability. That is the main agenda. Sir, can I take like this in programs?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
No,
sir.
no. If you are trying to take, what will happen? We will get error. Because up to this it is okay. What is this? This is invalid, right? Like that we will get. In that place, they introduced underscore. Beautiful concept. Why underscore is there? Just to represent your readability purpose. If I want to represent 1 lakh, I will take like this. Now have a look once. Just readability wise, 10 comma you have to assume like that. So 1 comma 00 comma like this we have to assume. Now is it valid? Let me check. Perfect. Is it working? Yes. So if you take Java 6, sir, is it valid? No. So in which version this underscore concept came? In 1.7.
1.7.
So Java 1.7 version, okay, allows underscore in numbers just to improve readability. Sir, only for integers it will work, because in the remaining cases we won't write. Now let me copy paste just for documentation purpose. Now I'm using Java 6. If I'm trying to compile, I will get error message. If I'm trying to get, I will get error message. Now I'm going to shift to 1.7. If I'm trying to compile, it compiled fine. If I'm executing, you'll get the answer. Clear, friends? Yes. Please confirm.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Now, sir, coming to the next one. Strings in switch case. So even I think somewhere when we are covering about the switch case also, we have seen so many things. Sir, until 1.4 version. Okay, until 1.4 version. Tell me which arguments we can take as a parameter to switch case. We can take 8 primitives. Can I take 8 primitives? Please confirm. Can I take 8 primitives as an argument? Like byte, short, int, long, float, double, character, boolean. Can I take all these?
No, sir.
No. Boolean is not allowed because you have only 2 options. Then float and double are not allowed because from 0.1 to 0.2 you will get so many numbers. Writing those many cases is not possible. Even long is also not allowed. So these are the only 4 primitives that you can take in 1.4 5 version. Sir, if you take 1.4, 1.5, have you remembered in 1.5 there is one concept named with enum concept is allowed. Sir, even if you want, you can take wrapper objects also, no problem. From 1.7 onwards, in addition to all this, one more type is allowed, which is nothing but string. Sir, string is object, right? You can also pass these objects, string objects. Sir, if you are clear, I will take one example program. You got the point?
Yes. Yes.
Sir, let's write a small program for that. So string day is equal to, sir, scan dot next line. I'm reading the data from the user, which is in string format. I'm converting into lowercase. Sir, after this, first we have to declare scanner class. Next. So what is my requirement? I want to take a switch case here. What is argument? Day. Day. So day is what type? String type. So the value which you are giving is Monday means I will try to print a message saying starting of the week followed by break. Now, sir, if you are giving Wednesday, so middle of the week. So if I'm giving Friday, sir, week ending, like this I'm taking. So other than this, if I'm giving anything, I will take it as a normal day. So break is not required for this, and case I'm writing as a default. So the type of every case is what type? String type. Clear, friends, up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first I will take Java 6. Let me compile. Is it going to compile? No, we are getting error. Two errors are there. So let me import util package because we are using scanner class, right? Let me import. Now try to compile. Have you observed? Required type is what? Integer. Now we are passing string. That is a problem what we are facing here. In which version? 1.6. Now I want to change this to 1.7. Let us shift to 1.7. Now Java C test.java. Test compiling fine. Java space test. It is waiting for input. Let's assume I'm giving starting of the week. Like that way. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, friends? What about remaining? Please respond.
Yes.
Yeah. So the next feature what we have is try with resources. Try with resources. So what is this try with resources concept? It is related to exception handling action. I will take one simple Java program to read some data from the user. Okay, I want to read some data from a file. Assume that I want to read the data from file. How you can do that? Sir, try block compulsory we have to use. File reader fr is equal to, okay, sir, new file reader of. So assume I'm taking the file name as abc.txt. Sir, is abc.txt is there? Yes. Assume I have some 5 lines with message hello. I want to read this. Sir, how to read? the data is always in character format. So while ch is equal to fr dot read, I am reading one character. Of course, it is in integer format. If it is not equal to -1, can I print that by typecasting to character, because the internal content is character. That's all. In catch, suppose if any exception is coming, that exception object I will take care. That's all. This is nothing but what we have. And sir, at last, in finally, what we will do? Fr dot we are going to close. Okay. So we have to declare very beginning. At the very beginning, you have to declare fr is equal to what? Null. Null. Sir, clear? Any doubt in this code? Since we are working with IO, you have to take IO. Sir, clear? Please confirm.
Yes.
Let's shift to Java 6. Try to compile. Sir, must we catch or declare to it? The problem is, sir, here also, if this block is not executing, what is the value of fr? Null. On null object, can I call close? No. So if fr is not equal to null, then only close. Then here we have to take try and catch block. Let me take throws exception. Have you observed how many modifications we have to do? So we will get out. So this is up to which version? Sir, up to 1.6 version of Java. So exception handling code looks like this. Clear, friends?
Yes.
So in 1.7, they introduced some concept. What is that concept? Is, sir, in Java 1.7 version, so we have try with resource. Try with resources. You can use closing of the resources, auto closable, everything will be there. Sir, how to do that? Sir, very simple. How we are going to write code for that in a sense? Observe carefully. This one is not required. Okay. So within try block, you have to take the brackets. File reader fr is equal to this entire line you have to take here itself. Now, after completion of this, even finally block is also not required. So what is the meaning of this one is, sir, we are reading the content from the file using this fr. So once if you are coming out from this try block, automatically the resources which you opened in this block will be closed. Automatically it is going to close. This is nothing but the feature which is not there in 1.6 and which is there in 1.7. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone?
Clear, sir.
Sir, I think it saves so much of time, right? Clear? This is nothing but what
One
we
doubt, sir.
yes.
Sir, if we want to have the data from multiple files, then how does it work, sir?
You can open multiple files also here. File reader fr1 is equal to new file reader of abc.txt, comma
In try block
file.
only, sir?
Yes, in try block only.
Okay.
Separated by comma, you can take any number of resources.
Okay, after
So,
this abc.txt, we can write
yes.
another file
Here
reader.
you are taking try. Now I have
Okay.
taken only one resource, right? You can
Oh,
take
yes.
resource 1, comma, resource 2, comma, resource 3, comma, like that. No problem. All the
Okay.
resources, it will close automatically.
Okay.
And make sure that those resources should be closable resources.
Okay.
What is the meaning of closable resource in the sense? Suppose if you are taking like this, my Java will take care of closing this effort. Suppose if you are taking demo, t is equal to new demo. So what is this demo? Demo is your class object, correct?
Class. Yes, sir.
Sir, is this is a proper resource? No, we
No.
can't close this, right?
Yes, sir.
So it must be auto closable. Then only
Okay.
it is going to validate. Clear?
Something like predefined one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you see, I will show you the profile of Java P java.io.file reader. I will show you the profile. So observe carefully. It is extending which class properties?
Input string reader.
Now see input stream reader. Now observe it is extending which class properties?
Reader.
Reader. Now observe. Is it closable?
Yes, sir.
So closable is an interface, marker
Okay.
interface.
Yeah, implements. Okay.
So whenever your class is implementing this closable, then that object is eligible for automatic closing option. Okay.
Okay, got it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So the next one, what we have is multi-catch block. Multi-catch block. Sir, what is mean by multi-catch block? Name itself is giving very clear clarity. Suppose consider, so I am writing some exception handling related things. Like I have a try block is there. So within this try block, I have one array with elements. So 5, 2, 0. Now, sir, system.out.println. I am trying to take so a of 0 divided by so a of 0, 1, 2. A of, or let me take like this. So which exception you have to handle here? Can anyone tell me?
Arithmetic.
Arithmetics.
Arithmetic exception. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And we will print that exception object information. Now I'm doing this small modification. Instead of a of 0, I'm taking a of 10. Which exception you have to handle?
Index out of
Array.
range.
Array index out of bound exception.
Yes.
Can I take like this here?
Yes, sir.
Array
Index
index out
out
of
of
bounds exception. Correct?
bounds. Yes, sir.
Clear, friends?
Yes, sir.
So this program is valid in which version of Java? 1.6. This is valid. Now what I am doing is, sir, every time here 2 catch blocks you are taking, my requirement is I want to take 10 catch blocks. 1, 2, 3, declaring 10 is somewhat difficult for me. If you observe here, which is changing in these two? Only the class name. Rest of the things are same, right?
Yes, sir.
Why can't you combine these two? So what Java people did is here they introduced one R symbol and then you can take like this. So now what happens? If arithmetic exception raised, corresponding arithmetic exception object will store here and it will handle. If array index out of bound exception is going to come, it will handle. Clear?
Clear.
Instead of writing multiple catch blocks, you can write only single catch block. Now, is the code is valid? No, because we are in which version? 1.6.
1.6.
If you change to 1.7, so Java C test.java. Is code is valid? Yes, perfect. So which exception you will get? Array index
Array
out of bound
index.
exception. Suppose consider here I am taking 0. Now is the program compiles fine? Now which exception?
Arithmetic
Both
exception.
are working right. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So in Java 1.7 version, okay, so we can handle, okay, we can handle, what we can handle? Multiple exceptions in single catch block. Correct? This is the code what we have, and these are execution related commands. Clear, friends?
Clear.
Now, so the next last feature, diamond operator. Somewhere in last class, just I told one program. Do you remember? Related to the collections. So what I did in collections, I have taken array list. So string list is equal to new array list of a string. Now I'm taking list dot add off. Let me take Java. So list dot add off. So let's take Python. Like this, I added to system dot out dot println of list. Is this code is valid? Please confirm.
Valid, sir.
Valid. Now, if you are trying to compile, the code compiles fine. Now, what I am doing is, sir, here you are taking string. Sir, here also you are taking string. Not required. You can remove string here. You can take only one time. So, at the time of creating object, sir, who is the reference for this array list? What type of data it is taking string? Automatically, it will consider string type. So this line is invalid in Java 6 version. And if you switch to Java 7, sir, is this line is valid? Yes. If you run also, you will get that. So what is a diamond operator here? Sir, it is introduced in 1.7 version. Main purpose is what? To reduce redundancy. Redundancy in generics. In generics, to reduce this, we are using this diamond operator. Diamond means it looks like something like that. Beyond that, nothing. Understood? Can I say this line in 1.6 and in 1.7? In 1.6, what you need to take? The string compulsory you have to take. In 1.7, we are not going to take that. Understood, friends? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Any questions?